Hey YouTube, got another review for you. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos I'm making. I'm trying. I got a couple reviews coming up actually. I'm gonna do one tonight. And I'll show you what that is in just a few moments. And I have two other things I want to do. One, I believe it's going to be the Maxpedition Proteus, and I might throw something into that one just for fun. I don't know yet. It's kind of silly to have, but zombies are coming. Anyways guys, what my review on today is, it's the Leatherman Micra. I've been carrying this thing for about a week, and so far I've used the scissors a little bit and the nail file, also the tweezers. They all seem to work awesome. I mean, you can tell how big it is. It's not very big. Anyways, I'll just pull out everything here off camera, show you what it has to offer. Okay, so first we'll start off with the little knife blade. It does have a little knife blade. It is small. I'll give you a comparison here. That's my pinky. So, it also has a Phillips head, screwdriver, flathead, whatever. This is the nail file and nail cleaner. Great glasses cleaner, or sorry, screwdriver, bottle opener. My fault guys. This is a flathead. This is the one for the Phillips. It's got a pair of tweezers. They work pretty good. Overall length is about 2.5 inches on this. It's not very big at all. So, I always wanted a pair of scissors to have in my pocket just in case scenario. And I finally found these. I was just walking through Bass Pro Shop the other day, and I came across these, and I was like, you know what? I don't see these very often, so I am going to get it. So, this, guys, is my review for the Leatherman Micra. I actually just remembered I forgot one thing. On the back here, where are you? Hello, camera. On the back here there's a ruler. Inches over down here, centimeters are above. Yeah, they are spring loaded, so I do like these. I like these a lot actually. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please stay tuned for more. Subscribe, rate, comment, and share my videos. Get me up there. Anyways guys, talk to you later. Have fun, keep safe.